right, so I'm going to show you why this is the #1 app that you must download if you want to make money. It's very easy. You're just answering questions. I'm going to go through it just to show you how easy it is. First, you see my balance here at the top, $8.36. I'm going to answer some questions to get that up. So here's the first question. All you're doing is just answering. It doesn't matter what you answer it. You're going to qualify for it. You see there, 3 cents. So just wait for that to, finish loading or whatever. And I go to the next question. So same thing, just scroll down. Just give it an answer to the question. Continue, another 3 cents. I mean, it's easy, y'all. Like, you see it in my balance, $8.42 now. Going to the next one. I mean, these questions, they really come up every day. You're going to have lots of questions. So it's important that you be very active on the app. So the one thing I do want to tell you is that all of these all these questions are not always 3 cents. Some of them are, less. Some of them are more. It's just for this particular day and the questions that I'm answering, that's what they pay. I don't know what determines how much they pay, but regardless, I mean, just knocking out 3 cents in 2 seconds is not hard at all. So you see here, I'm still getting questions. And sometimes when you answer some of these questions, you'll get, they'll throw you another question because, okay, you answered this with this answer. So now we want to build off that. Now we want to give you another question. So it really can be, almost endless some days where you're just answering all of these questions, not even surveys, just going through, knocking them out. You see here, like most of these, like I said, are 3 cents. You see now I got $8.69. So the balance is continuing to climb up. I'm also going to show you my previous cash outs from this video as well when I get done, answering all these questions, because I've been using this app for a long time and I've made good money with it. I'm happy that I found it. And, it's really the #1 app, my favorite app to make money on, because it just, you see how easy it is just knocking these questions out. So now I'm going to show you other things you can do with it. You can also check in to wherever you're at. Click on the check-in button, and that's where your location should be on. So I'm going to get check in right here. Click done. 2.5 cents for doing that. So now I'm going to show you right here, claim reward. Every day you can log on, you get a reward for that. You also get paid for doing that as well. So now going back to kind of the home screen, you see there my balance, $8.81. Now I'm going to show you some of my previous cash outs that I've made. All of these $15 cash outs. Pretty much every week I'm cashing out $15. Very simple, like $60 a month just off this one app. This app pays my phone bill. You see there a couple of $50 cash outs. So, I mean, I've made money with this. Very easy to do. You must download it. I'm going to leave the link to it in the description so you can download it on your iPhone, on your Android, whatever. It doesn't matter. But it's the #1 app. Very easy to use. You're going to qualify for every single question they give you. So you must use it. Download it today. And always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2thousands.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.